Let's make jerk steak pasta using two of my products, DivineKuizine's jerk rub and DivineKuizine's jerk sauce. I'm gonna get ready to jerk them, so we're gonna use two of my products to go ahead and jerk them. We're gonna use the jerk rub to jerk these steaks for this fun Valentine. And the reason why I'm doing this meal is because I thought it would be cool. You know, Valentine's Day is coming up. You know, if you wanted to stay at home, have a sexy night with your partner and everything, and who don't like steak, right? And it's cheaper if you have a steak dinner at your house than if you go to one of these steak places. And also, it may even taste better. So, we're gonna go ahead. I thought it would be cool. I've never had jerk steak, but I thought it would be cool to do a jerk steak. So we're gonna taste this together today. So we're gonna use the DivineKuizine jerk rub. We're gonna go ahead and season this and let it marinate for a while. So what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna put them in a bowl and just season it like this. I think it would be easier. So I have two New York strip steaks here. Take two New York strip steaks, and we're gonna do the salt. You wanna be aggressive with the salt. Just aggressively salt the steaks. And then we have some seasoned pepper. Aggressively season it with the seasoned pepper. And then we're gonna use the DivineKuizine jerk rub. And the DivineKuizine jerk rub is a little more spicier, so you're gonna get a little kick. So watch how you use the jerk rub when you use it. If you don't want it too spicy, then go back. So I'm gonna do probably about 2 teaspoons. So just know, if you want it less spicy but a little bit of kick, then use less of the rub. If you want it more spicy, use more of it. And this has like Scotch bonnet in it. You know, all our stuff is all natural, non-GMOs, no artificial flavors or coloring or anything like that. So now I put 2 teaspoons. So now I'm just gonna rub this all together into my steak, and then I'm gonna sit this aside and let it, get some of that. You can do this, the day before or the night before, and then we're gonna go ahead and pan sear them. If it wasn't so cold outside, you could even grill them, or if you have an indoor grill in your house, you can do that as well. But we're gonna go ahead and use a cast iron pan to go ahead and do them. So we have these. And now I'm gonna set those to the side, and in this we're gonna also do a jerk pasta. So we're gonna do jerk steak, jerk pasta, and some asparagus. So let's get ready to go ahead and make the jerk pasta. Okay, so olive oil in a pan, and then we have some fresh garlic. So we're gonna go ahead and put the fresh garlic in here, and we're gonna saute and season up our peppers. Different color peppers, red onion, serrano peppers. Have some butter, pinch of cayenne pepper, salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, DivineKuizine sugar spice, 1 teaspoon of the jerk seasoning, coconut cream here, heavy cream, add some butter in here, cook down, Parmesan cheese, add our noodles, DivineKuizine's jerk sauce, maybe about a teaspoon to a tablespoon, depending on your preference. Okay, y'all, so we have our jerk steak here. Beautiful color. And now we're gonna add some garlic, some thyme, and some butter. With the butter. And then we're gonna go ahead and put this in the oven at 425 degrees and let it finish cooking. Our jerk steak, our jerk pasta, and some asparagus. And the asparagus I didn't show, but basically after I took the steak out, I just put the asparagus in the same pan and let it steam. and it's good to go. And we use 2 of my products. We use the DivineKuizine jerk rub and the DivineKuizine jerk sauce, and we used them both on the steak. We did the jerk rub on the steak, and on the pasta, the jerk pasta, we did both. We did a little bit of the jerk sauce and a little bit of the jerk rub or jerk seasoning. The difference between the two, this one tastes more authentic. It's real hot and spicy. Where this one does also, but it's the jerk sauce and it has tamarind, so it's gonna be a little sweeter. So let's go ahead and plate up. Okay, so let me switch lanes here. I'm gonna go ahead and cut. Let me get a fork about this. And like I said, I like mine like medium well, but you can do your steak the way, whichever way you would like your, you prefer your steak to be. All right, so I'm gonna start with the jerk pasta. It's good and it's spicy. And there was another thing that I used in this. I forgot to mention that we used the DivineKuizine sugar spice also in the pasta when we seasoned our peppers. So this is another way you can use this product as well. I'm always trying to give y'all game on how to use my products. And this one has the brown sugar that's a little sweeter to kind of give you a little more sweet, but this is another way. I use this a lot for baking or vegetables. But this is good. It's spicy. It's kind of got a sweet taste to it. You got them peppers. It's creamy. I use heavy cream and coconut cream. Excellent, excellent. So let's try the steak, because I've never had jerk steak before. I like it. I like it. It's got the right type of, seasoning with the salt and the pepper. Then you got the jerk, so it's not too spicy, but you get that heat in the back when you're eating it for a while. Good, good, good. And y'all already know what asparagus tastes like. You just need something green on your plate. I'm gonna taste it all. This is a fabulous, fabulous, fabulous Valentine dinner. If you're watching this on YouTube, hit that notification button and become part of the fam. To get any of my recipes or this recipe, go to DivineKuizine.com. Follow me on all my socials, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Love y'all.